students. At last class we discussed about the main immune system, right? Acquired immune system. In that acquired immune system, how the immune system will be works by two types: antibody mediated immune system and second one cell mediated immune system. In that cell mediated system, how it will be helps for T cells, and in antibody it will be B cells, right? And in that the main significance of these T cells, how it will be react, is all we are studying. At the main concept, when these T cells also react when transplantation of blood organs and some blood transfer blood which will be transferred from one person to another person. In this case also the immune system reacts when if one person which is infected or which is the his heart or the kidney or liver which is defected, which is considered as which is transplantation of when he required to transplantation, when it will be transplantation, the same blood group is must and should, because if the transplantation which is occurred by another blood group, the blood group of antigen and antibody which are react by our immune system, okay, and due to that organ which is rejected for our in our body. That's why the means same blood group and some similarities of organs also must important. In this case, if they have a transplantation, they have to take a tablet of anti-suppressant tablet. Anti-suppressant immune system, like in this sense, they suppress the immune system of particularly react for that organ. That's why they are considered as, in this type of immune system, we are studying two types of immune system. What are those? First one is active immune system. Immune system. Alpha immunity. Active immune system or active immunity. In that active immunity, in the sense here, this is the immunity where the exposure of inbuilt immune system. This is inbuilt immune system. When microbes enter into our body, then only it reacts. Understood? When it is a exposure of inbuilt of immune system, when it exposes, when the microbes enter into the body. After that, the microbes, it will react by that microbes, that antigen which is reacted by our immune system. This type we called as active immune system. In that active immune system here, the mainly cells which are react when the microbes enter into our body. It is our own body system. There is no acquired immunity. Okay, it will be inbuilt immunity system. Okay, and some type when some toxic substance which is enter into our body, some like snake biting. In that case, we are enter or acquired antibiotics. That is we called as passive immunity or passive immunization we called. Okay, and next in this active immunity, it is a slow process. It is a slow process because when microbes enter into the body, after that only it will generate. Okay, and next it is a permanent immune system. Okay, and it is, we also know about it is our own inbuilt immune system. Okay, this one we called as active immunity. And what is about the passive immunity? In that passive immunity, it is also commonly called acquired immunity. Acquired immunity in the sense where when we are affected by disease like hepatitis or jaundice or malaria, we are taken from the outside. We are taken from the drug or tablet or antibiotics from outside. That type we called as passive. It is acquired immunity which is taken by outside antibodies. Okay. And for best example that is colostrum. This colostrum which is comes from mother to baby, right? In that we are IgG and IgA are abundant. Why this is colostrum is necessary for inborn baby? Because they have no more build immune systems are absent in that child. There is no proper immune system is built in that child. That's why the colostrum is nothing but which provide the antibiotics to the newborn baby. That's why they secure the baby life. That's why this is needed. Okay, and like that snake bite, I get example. I told no. That also one type of a passive immunity. It is an immediate response. It take the immediate response. Okay. After that, here it will be memorize the diseases. Okay, we how it will react. Here the B cells are also react for a diseases by second time. Here it is an immediate response. There is no memory cells are present in that passive immunity. Okay, this is about the main immunity systems. Okay, first one, what is the difference? It is inbuilt. It is taken from outside. First point. Second point, it take a slow process. It reacts immediately. Okay, it is present lifelong. It is temporary system. This one. Okay, and here the memory cells are activated or the memory cells are remembers the diseases. Okay, here the memory cells are absent. Understood? These are the main differences between the active immune system and passive immune system. Okay, in next we are go for the and next some vaccines also considered in the active immune system. Okay, the vaccines when the heat killed immune system. Vaccines. What is vaccines? You know that? Okay, some people are thinking that the vaccines are some medicines. But the vaccines are nothing but the vaccination and immunization. First one, the vaccine. The vaccine is nothing but the inactive pathogen or attenuated pathogen which is inserted or which is injected in body. This system we called as vaccine and provided to body, that process we called as vaccination. Here there is no process because we already know about the how the immune system will react, right? First, when the if we are taken a polio, if first time polio will attack for us, it will be new pathogen for our body. Okay, and if that polio once attack for our body, after that the immune system know about that polio. If that polio which is attacked for second time, it will be quick response supported by our immune system. How? That system also applied here. That system only applied in the vaccination. How? These polio heat killed or the polio inactive pathogens are enter into our body. Okay, they are not affected. They are harmless. Okay, that harmless microbes enter into our body. When that inactive form they are contact with our immune system, it will be completely know about that bacteria, poliovirus, sorry, the virus. Okay, after that, if real a strong polio when attack to our body, our immune system know about this virus and they are quick respond to that polio and they are killed immediately. That's why the vaccines are helps for to control the diseases like hepatitis B and like some like polio, TB, like that. Understood? Okay. This is process we called as vaccination. And what is about immunization? I will give one example. When snake or toxic which is enter into our body, we are giving the antitoxin. That is we called as immunization, which is both are the vaccination and the immunization, both are having the memory cells. Okay, in vaccines the memory cells and the helper cells which are helps to inbuild our immune system by the pathogens. Okay, this is all about the vaccine and the immunization. Okay, in next we are go for allergies. What are those allergies? These allergies are aggregated of immune system. Aggregated when they are enter the allergens when are entered to our body, the immune system spontaneously it will get response. That substance which give the allergy, that substance we called allergen. They are called allergen, and these allergens are dust, some microbes and pollens and some animal denders. They are animal denders. Okay, and next these allergens, when will it react? What are the symptoms? These are the allergens. They are all are allergens. And what is the symptoms? The symptoms like seizing, watery eye, and runny nose. It is okay. And next, and these allergens which is secreted or the allergies is due to how it will be the releases of chemicals. What are those chemicals? That is histamine, and next strontium, etc. Okay, how they are produced from mast cells. Okay, and what is the curants? What are the antibiotics? They are anti-allergens. That anti-allergens are antihistamine and adrenaline and some steroids. By taking these anti-allergens, we can cure the allergies. This is all about the vaccination, immunization and allergies. And last, the autoimmune system. What is this autoimmune system? The auto means self. The self-immune system or autoimmune diseases also occur. what? Or autoimmune diseases. The autoimmunity means sometimes our memory cells, okay, our memory cells are not able to recognize between antigen and a self cell. Okay, self cell. Due to that purpose, our immune system which is reacted to self cells. Okay, due to this, some diseases are occurred by the body. What are those? We will be discussed. Okay, first one, that is multiple sclerosis. And some these autoimmune diseases which is occurred by some genetic defect, or some other effects of memory cells or the immune system. Okay, sorry. Okay, this is all about immune system. And what are the diseases? That multiple sclerosis. Okay, this multiple sclerosis which is affect the CNS means central nervous system. Okay, that is central nervous system. These type of a disease which destroy the nerve cells. Okay, due to that our mind will be out of control. Like that they are consist some imbalanced routines. Okay, they are mainly affected our mind. And second one, rheumatoid, that is rheumatoid arthritis. Rheumatoid arthritis. Here it is affected to joints of legs, feet and hands. Okay, this is a main diseases which are, we are given an example about the multiple sclerosis and rheumatoid. Understood? And this is about the main process of immune system. Okay, in that I will once repeat. First one we call as active immune system, here inbuilt system, and which is response for memory cells. Okay, and these are activated by B cells, T cells. Okay, and next passive cells which is outside antibody taken immune system, right? And in that it will be reacts. Best example is colostrum. Okay, and next the vaccine and immunization. These vaccine and immunization also built by some recombinant DNA. Okay, the multiplication of anti-antigen combination means the suppressants of antigens, the recombinant DNA. And next is some technology which is using the bacteria and yeast. The example is hepatitis B, and that hepatitis B, that recombinant DNA we will be produced from yeast. Okay, that is most important line. Please remember that one. Okay, after that we are studying the allergens. The allergies which is exerted or X-aggregated to response of immune system. That is, that takes place of allergies by the allergens. The allergens are pollens and some dust particles and some microbes, and next the animal tenders. And next, what are the symptoms? Sneezing, runny nose and watery eye. These are the symptoms. Okay, and which chemical which is affected by the allergies? That is histamine, next rotonium, and next last one, it is produced by mast cells. And what are the anti-allergen? That is antihistamine, adrenaline, and next last one, that is the steroids. Okay, and after that we are autoimmune diseases or autoimmune system. that immune system which affect, or there is no difference between self cell and non-self cell. The non-self cells in the sense antigens, okay. And due to that, some memory cells are not recognize self cell and non-self cell, okay. Due to that, or some genetic defects, the disease will be occurred. That diseases are the multiple sclerosis and rheumatoid arthritis, okay. This is the main about today class, okay. Next class we will be discussed about the main immune system organs, okay, and that we will be studying in the next class, okay. If you have any doubts, please comment, okay.